So today, structure and molecular organization of the cell membrane, BSc Botany, third year, fifth sem. So I am Dr. Tirunari Yugandhar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Degree College, Maibad. So what is a cell membrane? The cell membrane is surrounding the protoplasm is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. The cell membrane is characteristic features of living organisms. All plants and animals both have cell membranes. Cell membrane is a semi-permeable which can be protective and transparent particle made by proteins and lipids. So this structure is what is the meaning of the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a molecular organization. Molecules means the made by which substance are cell membrane. Proteins and lipids is called molecules. How to arrangement of the molecules in cell membrane? Study is called molecular organization of cell membrane. So that the molecules are majorly proteins and lipids only. Sometimes are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. Three molecules are which major particles, major components of cell membrane. The cell membrane is the structure of the cell membrane, outside of the cell, inside of the cell. Lipid bilayers. The lipids are two layers, proteins are single layer, which is also character features. So what are the cell membrane? Cover the surface of every cell. Every cell, plant cell or animal cell, both cells of living organisms covered and also surround the most organelles within cells. They have a number of functions as only cell is not includes the cell membrane, also includes the ribosomes, lysosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi bodies, all cell organelles, which includes the cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is keeping all cellular components inside the cell. So allowing selected molecules to move in and out of the cell. Allowing selected molecules. Selected means this is a useful. Also called the components are which is a major important role in plant cells or animals, that is called selectable particles. So these selectable particles are which can be transparent through the plasma membrane to inside of the protoplasm. So then isolating organelles from the rest of the cytoplasm, allowing cellular process to occur separately. A site of biochemical reactions. The cell membrane is a site which can important role of biochemical reactions, osmosis, diffusions, transpiration, and growth, development. So these are all is called a biochemical reactions, allowing a cell to change shape. So the cell membrane is which enlarges. The cell size and growth is also increases, which is also cell membrane. సో దాని సెల్ మెంబ్రెయిన్లో ప్రతి కణం యొక్క ఉపరితలాన్ని కవర్ చేస్తాయి. ఇవి కణాల లోపల చాలా అవయవాలు చుట్టుకుంటాయి. వారికి చాలా ఈ సెల్ లోపల అన్ని సెల్యులార్ భాగాలు ఉంచడం, అందుకు ఎంచుకున్న అణువులను సెల్ లోపల మరియు వెలుపల తరలించడానికి అనుమతిస్తుంది. మిగిలిన సైటోప్లాజం నుండి వేరు చేయబడిన అవయవాలు కూడా ఆర్ సెల్ ఆర్గనైజల్స్ కూడా ఈ సెల్ మెంబ్రెయిన్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఇవన్నీ కూడా జీవ రసాయనిక ప్రతిచర్య జరపడంలో తోడ్పడతాయి. సో ద ప్లాస్మా membrane is also present in the bacterial cells. Is common to all cells. It forms a outer limit. It forms a boundary dissolved substances. Allow cells to also maintain themselves. Dissolved substances. It is also present in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic both. Bacteria and cyanobacteria are also present in the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Bacteria, fungi and plant cells have a cell wall, but it is a strongly distinct features and lies outside the plasma membrane. Then outside the plasma membrane, cell wall is present. Means cell wall inside plasma membrane is present. Both are. The protoplasm enclosed the plasma membrane is called protoplast. The protoplast enclosed the cell wall is called plant cell. So this is also major important particles. The cells have cells and membranes. The membrane surrounding a cell called a plasma membrane forms the boundary that sequences the living cell. Front it's a non-living surroundings. All through the plasma membrane is only about 8 nanometer to 0.01 micrometers thick. It is selective control the movement of the materials, into the out of the cell. Selective permeable. It is responsible for cell wall recognition. Example, when cells are aggregated into the tissues. It is a dynamic structure with a distinct inside the outside the cell. Dynamic structure inside the cell, outside the cell, both are present in the cell wall. The cell membrane accepted model for the structure of plasma membranes. Cellular membrane generally it is a fluid mosaic. Phospholipids and lipids proteins are the three substances are made by the cell membranes. So this is also cell membrane glycoproteins, carbohydrates and glucoproteins and carbohydrates. This is also cell membrane structure. Meaning of plasma membrane. The membrane includes a cell is called a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Animal cell is also called a plasma membrane. Plant cell is also called a cell membrane. Both are same. And plasma lemma. The three names of plasma cell membrane, plasma membrane, plasma lemma. It contains a proteins and lipids in the ratio 80:20. 80% is proteins, 20% is the lipids are present. These are three-layered structures, trilamellar model. So in bacteria, one extreme and on the other extreme 20 to 80 in the same nerve cells. 20 is to 80. 20 means proteins, 80% is fats, is the nerve cells. So other type of the cells, the 20% is the lipids, 80% is your proteins. The protein percent is more in the other cells except nerve cells. The overall composition of the most of the cell membrane is 40 to 50% of proteins and 50 to 60% of lipids. Majority of the cells, the plasma membrane or cell membrane just equal components of proteins and lipids 50:50 or sometimes 60:40, sometimes 40:60. So this is also differentiations of components in their composition. కణాన్ని చుట్టూ పొరను 80:20 నిష్పత్తులు ఉంటాయి. Sometimes are 20:80, sometimes are 50:50, sometimes are 40:60. So this is also different component. The composition percentage is different in different type of the cells. So this is also membrane lipids. The cell membrane is phospholipids, glycolipids, steroids. Three major substances are made by the cell membrane. The phospholipids, first one, second one glycolipids, third one steroids. The phospholipids are further divided into the phosphoglycerides and sphingophospholipid. Phosphoglycerides are which can be classified as 7 types: phosphodiadehydes, phosphaldehyde, thiamine, phosphaldehydzine, phosphodieldazole, phospholipid glycerol, phosphodialosal, and diphosphoglycerols. So this is also types of the phosphoglycerides. So sphingophospholipid is also sphingomyelin one type. The second one is also glycolipids. The glycolipids are further divided into 3 types: cerebrosides, sulfolides, and gangliosides. Steroids are which divides the 2 types: cholesterol and stigmasterols. So these are lipids are found in a biological membrane. So this is also important chemical components in a cell membranes of plants and animals. The lipids found in a membranes are of three types. Lipids, that is also proteins. The lipids are phospholipids, glycolipids, steroids. So they have been further classified into the different types. The preparation of these lipids varies in different membranes. In example, plasma membrane is composed of 50% phospholipids, 5% glycolipids, 20% steroids, and 20% other lipids. Total 100% lipids. So most percentage of the lipids in a 55 phospholipids are there. But endoplasmic reticulum contains 65% phospholipids, 30% glycolipids, and 5% steroids. The percentage of these lipids layer in mitochondrial membrane is 75% phospholipids, 20% glycolipids, 5% steroids. Bacterial membrane constitute a high proportion of cholesterol, 70%. Bacterial cell, 70% of cholesterol, and so lesser proportion of the phospholipids in 30%. The different types of phospholipids found in the biological membranes are summarized in the table 2.3. సో దిస్ వన్ పొర లోపల పాస్పోలిపిడ్స్ అని మూడు రకాలు ఉంటాయి. పాస్పోలిపిడ్స్, గ్లైకోలిపిడ్స్, స్టీరాయిడ్స్. వాటిని మరింత రకాలుగా విభజించవచ్చు. ఈ లిపిడ్స్ లోపల పాస్పోలిపిడ్స్ అనే పొర 55%తో ఉండి, సో 5% గ్లైకోలిపిడ్స్, 20% స్టీరాయిడ్స్తో కలిగి ఉంటాయి. సో అదర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ ఆర్గనైల్స్ లైక్ ఎండోప్లాజం రెటిక్యులం, సో గాల్జీ బాడీస్, మైటోకాండ్రియాస్ ఆర్ ద పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ త్రీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లిపిడ్స్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. బ్యాక్టీరియా పొర కొలెస్ట్రాల్ యొక్క అధిక నిష్పత్తిని 70%, మరి ఫాస్ఫోలిపిడ్స్ యొక్క తక్కువ నిష్పత్తిని 30% నిరూపిస్తుంది. జీవపొరలో కనిపించే వివిధ రకాల ఫాస్ఫోలిపిడ్లు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో 2.3 టేబుల్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. The structure of the plasma membranes, which can observe under the electron microscope. What are the structure? The electron microscope studies have revealed that the 7 to 8 nanometer thickness, 7 to 8 nanometer thickness plasma membrane has two electron dense regions separately by electron light center regions. So these three layers together are called trilamellar. So three layers are combined to form trilamellar model. Robertson termed them as a unity membrane. He proposed the unity membrane hypothesis, according to which all the biological membranes have a trilamellar organizations. So the plasma membrane is made by the three, or it should have a three layers combined to form a single plasma membrane is appeared. So this is also three-layered plasma membrane, also called trilamellar model, was first reported by the Robertson, termed as unity membrane also. సో ప్లాస్మా మెంబ్రేన్ యొక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మైక్రోస్కోపిక్ అధ్యయనం బట్టి 7 to 8 నానోమీటర్ మందపాటి ప్లాస్మా పొరలు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లైట్ సెంటర్ రీజన్స్ ద్వారా వేరు చేయబడతాయి. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ దట్టమైన ప్రాంతాల్లో కలిగి ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఈ మూడు కలిసి ట్రైలామెల్లార్ మోడల్ అంటాం. ట్రైలామెల్లార్. కాబట్టి రాబర్ట్సన్ ట్రైలామెల్లార్ మోడల్. రాబర్ట్సన్ మోడల్. So with the appearances of permeated fixed membranes in all cell systems, a general idea has propounded that there is a basic identical general membrane structure in all cell forms. Basic fundamental structure of all cell organelles is called a Robertson model. Again, it has been noted through electron microscope that there are two electron dense lines separated by a lightly stained zone. As the three layers of the membranes were observed, three layers membranes were said to have a trilamellar arrangement. These trilaminar appears of a membrane are found in a prokaryotic. The prokaryotic organisms which have three layers, and eukaryotic plasma membrane, endoplasm reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nuclear membranes. The four cell organelles having all is called three layers or three layered membrane, also called trilamellar model. phylum. The presence of common structure in all the biological membranes led Robertson to postulated unity membrane hypothesis. The Robertson is a proposed the theory was a trilamellar model or a unity membrane model. So this is also అన్ని సెల్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్లో కూడా యూనిటీ మెంబ్రేన్ మోడల్ ఉంటుంది. దాదాపు అన్ని జీవపొరులు సాధారణ నిర్మాణం ఉండటం రాబర్ట్సన్ యూనిటీ మెంబ్రేన్స్ యొక్క పరికల్పన సూచించడానికి దారితీస్తుంది. So this is also unity membrane. Outer protein membrane, inner protein membrane, middle lipid layer. That is called model of Robertson trilamellar model. Two layers of lipids, outer and inner layer is called proteins. The two layer is combined to form a one. That is called outer protein, outer lipid. Inner protein, inner lipid. The total is called 4, but lipid layer is combined to 1. That is called trilamellar model. The trilamellar model is which is a major acceptable to all scientists. Robertson model. Outer protein layer, inner protein layer, middle lipid layer. So this is also expectation to the structure of the cell membranes in all type of organisms. So outer protein layer is 20 angstrom, inner protein layer 20 angstrom, middle part of the lipid layer is called 35 angstrom. The total is called so 20 plus 20 40 plus 30, 40 plus 30 75 angstroms length of thickness of the plasma membrane is seen under the electron microscope by Robertson. Second one, lipid bilayer model. The lipid bilayer model was proposed the second Garter and Grindel 1925. The Garter and Grindel proposed a lipid bilayer model. The lipids are two layers membrane structure from their experiments are red blood cells. The red blood cells are observed electron microscopes. So the red blood cells which are made by the two layers. When lipids extracted from a red blood cells were spread on the water surface, it was found that lipids were also spread as one layer on water. Lipids are spread on one layer, but it covers twice the area on the water surface than that of the surface area of the cell which has a lipid are expected. Lipid మరియు bilateral model Gorber and Grindel 1925లో గోటర్ అండ్ గ్రిండెల్ ఎర్ర రక్త కణాల లోపల చేసిన ప్రయోగాల ఫలితంగా సో లిపిడ్ బైలేయర్ మోడల్ కనుగొనబడింది. ఈ రక్త కణాల నుండి సేకరించిన లిపిడ్స్ వీటి ఉపరితలాలపై వ్యాపించినప్పుడు లిపిడ్స్ కూడా నీటిపై ఒక పొర మాదిరిగా వ్యాపిస్తాయని కనుగొన్నారు. సో కానీ ఇది లిపిడ్ సంక్రమించిన కణం యొక్క ఉపరితల వేషాల కంటే సో నీటి ఉపరితలంలో 2 రెట్లు విస్తరించున్నది. సో దీని ద్వారా lipid and bilayers structure is also completely not conforming rightly. So it is only just idea for made by the all cell organisms are composed of the plasma membrane is 2 layers are lipid bilayers. The lipids are present in the membrane as bilayers. Lipids అనేది ఏం చేస్తే bilayer 2 layers ఉంటాయి. Hydrophilic head groups are towards the aqueous and environment of the membranes of surface. Hydrophobic tails are always from the water and present in the interior of the membrane. So these types of structure of lipids bilayer would be most stable. The model of the Gorter and Grindel gives a new MPTS membrane research as they first tried to describe the structure of membrane at the molecular level. At a molecular level బట్టి so the first scientist Gatorade Gorbet scientist was studies in a molecular organization based to describe the structure of the plasma membrane or cell membrane. ఈ పొరలో లిపిడ్ బైలేయర్స్ ఉంటాయి. హైడ్రోఫిలిక్ హెడ్ గ్రూపులు రెండు పొర ఉపరితలములో సజల వాతావరణంలో ఉంటాయి. హైడ్రోఫోబిక్ తూకలు వాటిని దూరంగా ఉంటాయి. హైడ్రోఫిలిక్ రెండు లేయర్స్ ఉండడం ద్వారా దీన్ని బైలేయర్ అంటారు. So the third theory is Daniel-Davison model 1934. Daniel-Davison. So the Harvey and Daniel observation the surface tension experiments led down to the model of a Gatorade grinder. Gatorade grinder తయారు చేసిన సిద్ధాంతాన్ని Daniel-Davison model. So these results showed that the surface tension of cell membranes was higher than that of the pure lipids. So they concluded that biological membranes could not be of lipid alone. Biological membranes అన్నీ కూడా ఈ లిపిడ్స్తో తయారు చేయబడ్డాయి. So later Daniel and Davison proposed a molecular model of the membrane in which hydrophilic heads groups of the lipids molecules is covered on both sides of proteins layer. So the proteins are attached to the hydrophilic head groups of lipids are bilayered by ionic bonds. Bilayered head and tail, the two parts are present. The head part is outside and tail part is inside of the layer. So this is also by Daniel-Davison model of bilayered. So what is the model that the distance between ends of the fatty acids chains is not specified. Later the observation made through the polarized light and X-ray differentiation on the myelin membrane by Schmidt and others. So this is also one important character features of the nature. So this is proteins and lipids are model. The proteins and lipids model Daniel and Davison models. So then sandwich Davison and Daniel also that model is called sandwich. Protein is two outer layers, middle is called lipid layers. The lipid is two layers, proteins are two layers. The lipids are hydrophobic nature. Then so the proteins are hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means it can be transfer of the water easily. Hydrophobic means it does not transfer to the water. So this is also different of sandwich model of Davison and Daniel. So the third one is a fluid mosaic model. The first one is a unity membrane model, sandwich model, fluid mosaic model. The three models of plasma membrane was reported the cytologist. Fluid mosaic model. In the model also the main components is the lipid layer. Lipid is also two layers in main components with hydrophilic. Lipids are always hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means it can halo to the water through the inside but does not halo to the water to outside. That is called hydrophilic. Groups oriented towards outside and the hydrophilic groups towards inside of the layer. So the basic requirements for the molecular organization of the membrane is the free energy. So the term fluid is given because the lipid layer is present in the fluid state. Lipids are present in the fluid. The transition of the lipid layer are from a non-fluid gel conditions to a liquid crystalline fluids state depends on the temperature of the cell. In most of the membranes, lipid remains in a liquid crystalline fluid state. The temperature again depends on the composition of the lipids. So an increased proportion of lipids and state of change. So this is also model of a ఉష్ణోగ్రత పొర యొక్క పరమాణు సంస్థకు ప్రాథమిక అవసరం ఉచిత శక్తి లిపిడ్ పొర మరియు సో ద్రవ స్థితిలో ఉన్నందున ద్రవం అనే పదం ఇవ్వబడింది. Lipid, liquid, fluid and mosaic. The fluid is the total is called water. The fluid mosaic means is also proteins. The proteins are like a ice. Then fluid is like a water. Fluid is a lipids. Mosaic is called a proteins. Means the protein is equal to the ice. The lipid is called equal to the water. ఉష్ణోగ్రతమ్మ లిపిడ్స్ మార్పుపై ఆధారపడి ఉంది ఇవన్నీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ మెంబ్రెయిన్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ మొజాయిక్ మోడల్. సింగర్ అండ్ నికల్సన్ scientist was reporting the scientist. Fluid is individual phospholipids and some proteins can move sidewise in which layer therefore the fluid. Mosaic means ranges of different proteins resisting on the surface to the phospholipids layers gives as a mosaic. The mosaic is also proteins, then fluid is called lipids. So both is also called functions of the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is a majorly transport of molecules, channels of pumps. Transport means which can allow to the water molecules from outside to inside to outside. It is osmosis, extracellular osmosis, intracellular osmosis. So this is a important first function. The phagocytosis, pinocytosis, nuclear particles, cell wall communication. Cell walls are depends and activity then depends on the plasma due to the presence of carbohydrates. Cell signaling, cells are signals. Cell membranes are bound receptors, enzymes and proteins. So that protects the cellular organelles. The cellular organelles are protection takes place. Then compartmentalization, segregation one part of the cell from others. Membranes are modification for specialized functions. Myelin sheath of neurons. So this is also functions of the plasma membrane. Keeps the cell intact. Then protective membrane or protective barrier. It is also got a one protective barrier. So it is a regulative transport in out of the cell. The transport out of the cells also got in the transport system. The small lipid soluble molecules, example oxygen and carbon dioxide, can pass easily. So water can freely cross the membranes. Water is also freely crosses inside of the membranes. సో ఈ పదార్థాల కదలికను బట్టి సో దిగుమతి మరియు ఎగుమతి క్రియాశీల రవాణా ఎండోసైటస్ మరియు ఎగ్జోసైటస్ కణోపరితలపై అనేక ఎంజైమ్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ బాహ్య కణ ఎంజైమ్స్ బట్టి మనం 3 type of the reactions. So this is also important part of the reactions which is also important.